The Fraser collection of serviced apartments offer the convenience of a hotel with the added space, privacy and comfort of a home. Fraser cares, and we have implemented new measures to ensure our properties are safe and that you can stay with us in confidence. We recognise that these changes are significant, but our passion for delivering the best possible experience remains the same. We have prepared our workplaces for the new normal. All staff members have completed training in safety and hygiene. We are embracing new practices at check-in. Signs advise guests to socially distance, with floor markings highlighting where to stand. Sanitizer dispensers have been installed, and we are actively encouraging everyone to wash their hands frequently. Disposable gloves are also complimentary. Screens are in place to maintain a hygienic barrier between guests and staff. Our properties have been decluttered. All non-essential items, including soft furnishings, have been removed to reduce the number of contact points inside our properties. We are offering cashless payment systems. This is to further limit contact between guests and staff. We are therefore asking that, where possible, all payments are made by card. Lift usage is limited to one person or to multiple guests who are staying in the same suite. When it is safe to do so, guests will be encouraged to take the stairs. Our serviced apartments provide a comfortable and safe place to reconnect with family, friends and colleagues. They are also perfectly located for accessing some of the world's key gateway cities. Typically, our apartments are twice the size of an extended stay hotel room and nearly 3 times larger than a traditional hotel room. They are spacious with room to work out and relax. With hygienic food preparation more important than ever, kitchens and kitchenettes offer a safe and self-contained space for guests to prepare meals in the comfort of their suite. This means guests can cater for dietary needs and avoid busy restaurants, but also cook what they enjoy. At some of our properties, we are offering guests the opportunity to pre-order breakfast to prepare in their kitchenette. Alternatively, while buffets are postponed, hot or continental breakfasts may be made on demand by our chefs. Some properties will also offer a grab-and-go service. No matter the property, we are ensuring that all tables are the correct distance apart and that guests can socially distance in restaurant queues. At the Fraser Collection, we take hygiene standards seriously. We've introduced a new cleaning system across all suites to ensure the highest standards of cleanliness and sanitation upon arrival. This innovative method infuses water with ozone to kill 99% of viruses and provides an environmentally friendly alternative to traditional cleaners. In most properties, weekly housekeeping services will be provided for stays of 8 nights or more. This is to further minimise social interaction with the added benefit of reducing our environmental impact. For those staying with us for a shorter time, we respect your privacy and deliver fresh towels and linen to your door. Once the suite has been cleaned and aired, a door hanger is used to indicate that it is fully sanitised for a new guest to use. We have also increased our cleaning of communal areas, focusing on all key touch points which will be subject to a regular cleaning schedule. Recreational areas which are open across the region will be subject to regular cleaning. In our gyms that are open, equipment will be cleaned after it has been used by a guest. We have also developed a pre-booking system to regulate the usage of facilities at any one time. Early check-in and late check-out are offered across the Fraser Collection, subject to availability. Upon check-out, keys will be returned to a secure box. They will then be fully sanitised for the next guest. While we are monitoring the situation daily and updating our measures accordingly, we are confident that we can remain open and provide a safe living environment for our guests and a safe working environment for our teams. Reconnect with Frasers. Reunite with those who matter. We look forward to welcoming you back soon.